Welcome to our quick guide on creating your own custom ChatGPT chatbots. Whether you're a business looking to enhance customer interaction or a developer eager to experiment with AI, this tutorial is for you. Hi, I'm Derek, the founder and CEO of Hit Your Mark Media, a full-suite digital marketing agency. Let's start by understanding the capabilities of ChatGPT. It's a cutting-edge AI technology built on a model trained with a diverse data set, making it incredibly versatile in generating responses in multiple languages. With the ChatGPT API, you can customize your bot for specific tasks, anything from handling customer queries to composing music. Now let's set up your first chatbot. First, navigate to the ChatGPT website and log in. Then hit the Create a GPT button. Give your chatbot a name, a description, and define its functions. Use the preview window to test and tweak your bot until you're satisfied with how it operates. If your bot needs specific knowledge or skills, you can add relevant documents and files. This enhances its responses, making them more tailored to your needs. Once your bot is ready, integrate it into your platform. This could be your website, an app, or even social media channels. Optimize it for different devices to ensure a smooth user experience. Remember, the key to an effective chatbot is continuous improvement. Regularly update its database, monitor interactions, and fine-tune its responses based on user feedback. And that's it. You've just set up your custom ChatGPT chatbot. With these tools, you can transform the way you engage online, providing personalized interactions at scale. Happy coding. Take your digital strategy even further by checking out more resources and expert guidance at Hit Your Mark Media. We're here to help you grow your brand with cutting-edge digital marketing strategies.